A mile or 3 will have to track. While places like this have 5 in a block. On 5th Avenue, I promise, no one gets shot. But in Crown Heights, my area, we're left to rot.
Yeah?
We're in a pandemic with food. It's being taken from our mouths. Crown Heights is being screwed. A food desert is deadly now. You guys, we're protesting, we're rallying. Midwood developers are taking the supermarket away from a community that's been here for over 50 years. Crown Heights, I don't know if you ever heard of it. So we're having a Save Associated peaceful rally. You guys can walk down the street with us. We just have whistles, nothing explosive.
We don't want to harm anyone, we just want food.
We just want food. It is a basic human right. Food is essential. Right now, the only places that are open are grocery stores and hospitals. You can't take either away in a pandemic.
That's right.
We're fighting here today. We have come here before, and we will come here again.
Yes, we
Yes, we'll be back.
We will be back. Food is essential.
Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential. Food is essential.
with my phone. Because I had to use the phone to read the
It's